Hi guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site, and today we have a C63S AMG for a head unit upgrade, new screen. So we're gonna change this one to an aftermarket head unit with CarPlay. We have our new head unit. .3 inches touch screen. This is the factory one, and we're gonna install this one. As you can see, it's a bit bigger than the factory one. So let's get started. First thing, we need to take out this cover. Pry it out like that, and we will have two screws inside here, 1, 2, in order to take out the screen. It's a Torx 20 for these two screws right here. Well, as soon as we release the two screws from the rear, we're ready to pull out the screen. So you just pull it out and disconnect it. Two connectors right here, 1, 2. As soon as we disconnect the screen, we need to move this cover over here in order to get to the rear of the head unit for the connections. So this one, it's cover right here, so you have to undo that. And you will find two screws underneath. Unclip this one. So you see there's two clips here, 1, 2, and it holds with that small clip at the rear right here. So you have to unclip like that first and then pull up. And then we have two screws right here, 1, 2 Torx 20. So as soon you take out these two, you can remove the whole center console right here. After removing the screws, you have to lift this up. It is all clipped in. You pull it back and disconnect the cables from underneath. Well, right here you have one connector and you have to take out two from here, 1, 2, and then this side, it is up here, one, the other one it is down here, and this one it's right here. So just like that, and then the cigarette plug, it's right here as well. So the cigarette plug goes up. Don't pull it backwards like that. You have to lift it up in order to get it out. And then your center console, it's ready to move. So here's the head unit. Hold it by 2 screws. 1, 2, Torx 20, and then we pull it back and connect our harness to the back. So after we remove these 2 Torx screws, put them on the side, and these are the 2 plastic holders that keeping the head unit in place. So when you push back the head unit, it locks with them. So we pull back this and you have access to the rear harness of the head unit. Let's bring ours and connect it to it. Now we have 2 harnesses. One it is for the screen, and this is the power harness. So the power harness, it is a T harness, as you can see right here. It needs to be connected to the factory one, but in this case, you see this, it's fiber optic connection. You see these 2 orange wires right here, they're not cables, it is fiber optic connection. Most of the Mercedes-Benz and some other cars, they do have fiber optic connection to the amplifier at the rear. So you need to migrate these to this one. There is a space right here. You have to take it out from the factory harness, put it right here because it needs to be connected to the head unit. Okay, because as you can see right here, there is no port for fiber optics. So we have to take out the fiber optic connector, put it right here, and then clip it in the head unit. Then the LDVS cable, it needs to be connected right here. And then those 2 USB cables will run all the way down there, just in case you need an upgrade or if you need to connect anything, because our system is wireless. So let's do that. To remove this, you see there is a small clip right there. You have to push it back and take this out. We took out the fiber optic connector, and we're gonna migrate it to our connector right here, and we will place it exactly right there. You see that clip holds it in place. Fiber optic connector is in place. Now we have to connect this one to the factory harness. Factory harness to aftermarket, and then we need to connect that to our head unit. To do that, so we run the power cable, we connect that, and these are the connections for our screen. Here is almost ready, but we have to throw this back with 2 USB connectors. Use a zip tie and run it behind right here, and we can pull it out from the side just in case we need it. So we push back the head unit, and we place this torque screw in place. So this is the second one. So we have our head unit back, and now we're gonna put the new bracket right there to hold the new screen in place. we need to take out these 2 screws in order to place them to a new bracket. So we got the screws from the factory screen. Place them right here. Now we're gonna put the new bracket into place. So the new bracket is clipped in. And we're gonna start installing the center console and the screen. Okay, we put the center console back. Now we're gonna bring the screen. Screen on, everything is right. So let's start it and check it. So as you can see, it can read the car functions. So that screen going like that. So everything is working like factory. So you're gonna use the Bluetooth of the phone, of the car actually, and radio. Everything is working. We'll check also the camera. Everything is working. The pad, the reversing camera, everything is working. Time to connect our CarPlay. So you will see on your phone the GALIOS device. So you check on that, and you have to check the number with your phone and pair, and allow that. And just like that, you have Apple CarPlay on your screen. So everything is compatible, fully compatible with steering wheel controls, with the pad inside here, because we changed nothing. We just add an aftermarket screen. So everything is gonna work. You have to connect to Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth in order to get your phone calls and everything. So you don't need to get out of the system of the car, because this is an integration. We didn't change anything, we just add on the screen. So we have to put everything in place, secure the screen, and deliver it to the customer. We put everything back. Last check. We adjust it to the car specifications. So we have that. So we adjust the screen, 360 camera. You can engage it from here. The body is working. As you can see right here, you can change. Radio, media, telephone, everything like factory. that's the final. Thanks for watching.